This is the Redmi Note 10 Pro. The color that I have is the gradient bronze color, and the model that I have is the 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM storage model. So inside the box we should get the phone itself, adapter, USB Type-C cable, SIM eject tool, soft case, user guide, and warranty card. So let's take a look inside. So inside this box is the SIM ejector tool, the user guide, warranty card, and the TPU case. One thing that I noticed about this TPU case is that it comes with the USB port cover. So this should help to avoid dust from accumulating inside the USB Type-C port. This is the phone itself. I'd have to say the gradient bronze color looks pretty nice. Let's put this aside first. Inside, at the bottom, we have the USB Type-A to Type-C cable, and also the 33-watt charger. That's it, nothing else. Now let's take a look at the phone. So it lists down the key features of the Redmi Note 10 Pro: the 108-megapixel quad camera and a tele-macro lens, 120Hz AMOLED 6.67-inch dot display. This is one of the things that I'm quite eager to test out. This is the only phone at this price range that has a 120Hz AMOLED display. So the SoC is using a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G and 33-watt fast charging. The battery capacity is 5020 milliamp. That is quite huge. Now let's open this up. Wow, this is better than I thought. The camera module has a unique design. So if you look here, I'm sure you would probably know by now that the camera bum is like a staircase. There's a lower part and an upper part. The lower part houses the LED flash, and this is probably a laser autofocus. I'm not quite sure. We'll find out in the full review. And this is the 108-megapixel main camera, the 5-megapixel tele-macro camera, 2-megapixel depth camera, and at the bottom we have the 8-megapixel ultra-wide. So we have the side-mounted fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button, the volume rocker. This is the front camera, which is 16 megapixels if I'm not mistaken. The display itself measuring 6.67 inches, 120 Hz display. At the bottom, we have the USB Type-C port, speaker grill, and the microphone. The left-hand side, we have nothing else aside from the dual SIM tray. And the dual SIM tray also has a micro SD card expansion slot. On top, we have the 3.5mm audio jack, the second speaker, microphone, and the IR blaster. The back is surprisingly quite resistant to fingerprints. It's not as glossy as I thought, and it's quite easy to clean up. Not bad. That's it from the unboxing. Please do subscribe and stay tuned for the full review in about 1 to 2 weeks. I'll let you guys know what I think about it.